Day 1. What repair actually is. Repair is not reassurance. Repair is not explanation. Repair is not promising it will never happen again. Repair is the ability to stay present with someone else's pain without trying to escape it. Most people skip repair and jump straight into relief. Today, we slow down. Close your eyes. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 2. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6. And repeat this 3 times. Let your body know there is no emergency. When conflict happens, your nervous system looks for safety. Some people raise their voice. Some people shut down. Some people explain. Some people reassure. None of these are repair. Repair is emotional presence without defense. If you struggle with repair, it does not mean you are unsafe. It means your system learned that being wrong had consequences. This reset is about retraining safety. Ask yourself, what do I usually do when someone tells me I hurt them? What does my body feel like in those moments? What am I trying to protect? Here's what I want you to do. Today, do not fix anything. Notice when you want to explain or justify, and simply pause. Say nothing. That pause is training. You showed up today. That matters more than getting it right. Nothing needs to be solved tonight. Let your body rest, knowing you took the first step. Tomorrow, we'll look at why your system learned to protect itself. You're safe to come back.